Welcome to my channel. This is Decency Digital Academy. I welcome you once again. This is part 3 of this video, and I want to tell you that if you have not watched the first part and the second part, please, I need you to go back and watch it. I'm going to put it somewhere around this video. You are going to see it, so go back and watch it. And the title is How to Sell Massively Anything Online in 2023. How to sell massively anything online in 2023. I gave a lot of steps of what you can do: selling physical products, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, all of the things that you need to do that can make you to sell massively online in this year 2023 is going to help you if you have not watched it. And then don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and then smash the bell so that whenever I upload any video, you can always see it and enjoy the video. So today, like I said, I'm going to talk more of affiliate marketing, and then I need you to pay close attention. Pay very close attention. Don't go anywhere, because I'm going to give you secrets of winning in affiliate marketing. Whether you are a beginner or you have been doing the affiliate marketing before now, or you want to scale it, whichever stage of affiliate marketing you are, I can assure you that by the end of this video, you are going to gain a lot of knowledge, a lot of value from watching this video. So, do you know that you can actually make serious money working for yourself, sitting in your home, in your house, in your pajamas, with affiliate marketing, and make serious money? I have dedicated this video, especially for teaching you what affiliate marketing is. If you're a beginner, or you just want to know about affiliate marketing, or you have known it before, I can assure you will gain knowledge from here. So pay close attention, because I'm going to give you the secrets that you're going to use to win in affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for quite a while now, and I haven't made so much. I won't tell you I've made so much, but I've made good money that I am happy that I've made such money for myself, not doing much, just recommending somebody else's product to another person who needs it, and then making good money from it. Now, I told you on the other video, I said what I try to explain what affiliate marketing is. I'm just going to run through it so that you can get what it is. Affiliate marketing is actually you recommending somebody else's product to another person who needs it. One person here has a need, another person here has a solution to that need. You are the affiliate in between, taking the product of the person who has it and to the person who has the need, and then recommending it to that person as a solution to his problem. Don't forget what I told you. For you to sell anything massively, one thing you must bear in mind is that product must be solving a problem. It must be solving a problem, because people don't buy products because they just want to buy. They don't buy because they love your face, because they like you. They are buying that product because there's a need in them. There's a problem. There's a pain that product is solving. There's a need that product is meeting for them. That is why they are buying the product. So whatever you choose to sell, must be meeting somebody's need, must be solving a big problem for somebody. That's the only way you're going to sell. So I've said it, affiliate marketing is you recommending a product to somebody who has a need, and then that product is going to solve that person's need. I'm going to show or explain to you in simple form what exactly affiliate marketing is, in simple form, in a way you understand it. Now, I'll give you a short story of myself and my son. My son, when he was graduating from the college, they were told to get a suit, like a uniform suit, blue suit. And so I decided to take him along to a big market. If you live in Lagos, Nigeria, you will know a market that we call Island Market. That is where you have all kinds of things, a very big market for all kinds of clothes. So I decided to take him to that market. The reason is because I wanted him to test everything there, make sure it's, you know, to his own taste, and then his size. I didn't want any amendments, and that's the reason why I took him there. As soon as we got to that place, you know, I already know the area I need to go to get the suit. You know, as soon as we alighted from the bus, and so we moved straight to that area, I just saw a guy accosted us, and he greeted me well, and I'm like, okay, what do you want to buy? I just told him, I said, we are going to buy suits. I told him I already know where I'm going. He said no problem, but he has somewhere he's going to show us where we can get a suit very cheap and good quality. I told him no problem. He said we should follow him. So we followed him, and he took us to, you know, a story building. We climbed the stairs, went to that story building. Lo and behold, what that guy said was right. Because that place, they had all kinds of suits, different colors, different sizes, quality suits. I was happy that guy took us there. At the end of the day, we bought the suit from them. While we were there, that guy just showed us there, introduced us to the owner of the shop, and then we started the discussion from the owner of the shop, all the things we want. We bought the suit, we bought the jacket, we bought the tie, everything we needed, we bought it from them. While we were discussing, the guy left again. Not up to 10 or 15 minutes, he brought other people to that place. Now, that guy that took us to that place is not the owner of the shop. He is only the intermediary between the person who owns the shop and the people who need suits. That is exactly what affiliate marketing is. And what they do is, at the end of the day, how many customers the guy brings to the owner of the shop, they will determine the percentage of the commission that guy is going to be collecting every day, depending on the number of customers he brings to them. This is pure affiliate marketing, and a lot of people are doing it and they don't actually know that this is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is, you know, this is somebody who owns a product, you the affiliate, you are in between, and then you are introducing to somebody, recommending that product to somebody who needs it. That's exactly what affiliate marketing is in a very simple form. Now, I want to give you, you know, just stay with me. I want to give you parties to affiliate marketing. Number one is the product creator. The product creator, that's the person who owns the product that the affiliate marketer is recommending. Number two is the affiliate network, on which platform that product is where the affiliate marketer will get the product. That's the affiliate network platform. That's number two party. Number three party is now the affiliate marketer himself. You, the affiliate marketer, you that want to become the affiliate marketer, you are number three party. Then number four party is the consumer of the product, or the person who actually needs that product that you are recommending the product to. These are four parties to affiliate marketing. I'll say that again. Parties to affiliate marketing: number one, the product creator. Number two, the platform, the network platform where the product is, is. Then number three is the affiliate marketer himself. Then number four is the consumer. That is the person who you are recommending the product to. So these are four parties to affiliate. The next thing I'm going to tell you is, now, don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, the next thing I'm going to tell you about is that what are the things you need to start affiliate marketing. If you are just a beginner, what are the things that you need to start affiliate marketing? You just need three things. Number one is, what you need is just have to have a smartphone. And I know you already have a smartphone, because for you to watch this video, you have a smartphone. Number two is you must have an internet connection on your phone. And I know you already have it, because if you don't have it, you can't watch this YouTube video. And number three is you must have a desire to learn. That is a teachable spirit. You must have a desire to learn. A lot of people, they have their phone, they have internet connected to their phone, but they are not patient enough to learn. They just believe they already know everything. And before you know it, they keep making one mistake or the other. And later they will tell you, oh, it's a scam, it's not working. It is working for those who are patient enough, who are ready to learn, who have a teachable spirit. So these three things are key. You must have your smartphone, you must have an internet connected to it, and then you must have a desire to learn. If you have these three things, I tell you, you make lots of money on affiliate marketing. I am coming, just wait. I'm still going to tell you some of the other things you need to do if you actually want to win big on affiliate marketing. And some of the secrets I'm going to tell you in this video is some of the things that took me years before I can learn them. So many of those things took me years before I can learn them. I'm telling you. Sometimes I just begin to wonder, if I had known some of those things by now, I would have made so much money from it. I would have gone so far from it. But I still thank God that I was able to discover those truths. And that is why I'm telling you now, so that if you're a beginner, you will not make some of the mistakes we have made in the past, so that you can just go straight to what you need to do so that you'll be able to earn big time in affiliate marketing and also win in affiliate marketing. Now, there are 5-step system that I'm going to tell you about affiliate marketing that will make you to win. 5 steps. Just make sure you have your pen and paper and write these 5 steps down, because it's going to help you to win in affiliate marketing. Number 1 step is you need to pick a niche. I was telling you in the other video, if you haven't watched it, please make sure you watch that video. I was telling you that, for you to sell massively, you must pick a particular niche you want to go into. And I told you there are niches that are hot. We call them hot niches. Number 1 hot niche is wealth niche. Wealth niche is anything that has to do with making money, that has to do with financial, has to do with income, how people can earn money. Those are wealth niche. We have beauty and health. Beauty and health. Anything that makes people to stay healthy, anything that makes people to keep fit, to look beautiful, that niche will sell. And I told you about relationship niche. Relationship between mother and father, husband and wife. Every of those relationships, any product you sell along that line will also sell. And I told you about traveling and relocation niche. That's another area that also sell massively. Any product you pick from these 4 niches, I'm telling you, they are hot. You will surely sell and make money massively. Now, the 5-step system, I've just told you number 1. The number 1 step is picking a niche. So you must first of all, settle within yourself, which niche do I want to go in? Do I want to go into health and beauty? Do I want to go into wealth niche? Do I want to go into relocation or travel niche? Do I want into health and beauty, travel and relocation, into wealth niche, or into a relationship niche? That is the first step. When you have decided which step you want to go into, the next step you need to go into is getting the product. You have decided the niche. Let's say you have taken the niche of health and beauty. Now, what product do you want to sell in that niche? That's the second step. Pick the particular product you know that is going to sell. What product do you think is going to sell in this niche? That's picking the product. This is step number 2, picking the product. Number 1 is picking the niche. Number 2 is getting the product. Now, when you have settled number 2, you have gotten the product you want to sell, you have gotten the niche, you have gotten the product in that niche. Number 3 is create a sales funnel. Create a sales funnel. By God's grace, I'm going to create another video that talk about sales funnel in detail. I tell you, these are the steps I never knew for several months. Before I was struggling in my affiliate marketing business for a long time until I learned these steps. And that's why I'm sharing these secrets to you. And that is why I know you are going to win in affiliate marketing if you take the advice I'm going to give you in this place. So, creating a sales funnel. When we are talking about sales funnel, we're actually talking about, sales funnel has many parts. I'm still going to, do a detailed video on it. But let me just tell you what sales funnel is. Sales funnel is how your customer can get to you, the route by which your customer passes through before he can get to you and buy the product you are selling as an affiliate marketer. Creating a sales funnel has to do with you creating a sales page, or what you call a landing page. And that page is like your shop. That is where the customer can come into and see what you are selling. Because if you have a physical shop, you have a shelf, you have the product, where you display those products. When a customer comes into the shop and sees the product you are selling, the customer will choose, okay, this is the product I want, this is what I want, how much is this? The customer will see the price, see the color, see everything. So your sales page also works the same way as a physical shop. So that is your sales page, which is your landing page. So that is part of your sales funnel. So that landing page is where your customers will come in, read what you have, see the products you have, and then now have to get in touch with you to ask you what next to do. So that is creating a sales funnel. That is number 3 step. The number 4 step is drive a traffic to your funnel. Drive traffic to your funnel. Traffic is the key in affiliate marketing. You must drive people to your shop. Imagine somebody who has a shop somewhere and people don't even see your shop. They don't even come in. How do you want to sell? So driving traffic to your sales funnel is what can bring you buyers. So you must drive traffic to your sales funnel. You may not be able to see customers that will buy your product. And when you are driving traffic, drive traffic in great numbers. You must constantly bring leads. Leads are number of people that comes to your sales funnel. The more number of people that comes to your sales funnel, the more you can sell. That's step number 4. Then the last step, which is step number 5, is now follow up on those leads that are coming to your funnel, then convert them. When you convert them, you make your sales and you make your money. Step number 5 is very sweet when you are able to do a good conversion. When you convert them and they are able to buy your product, if you sell them in large quantity, I tell you, you'll be smiling to the bank. So these are 5 steps to affiliate marketing that anybody can apply and you make huge amounts of money. Now, if you are wondering how to start, I'm going to put a link on this video, down this video. You can just, hit me up, chat me up on WhatsApp. My link is going to be there, and then my website link is also going to be there. You can go through that website. From there you can get to me through WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to every of your question. Whatever question you have concerning affiliate marketing, I'm ready to put you through if you are ready to learn. Don't forget the three criteria for you to do affiliate marketing is you must have a smartphone, you must have internet connection, and you must have the desire to learn. So those are the things. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done.